Get real, kid. I'm bigger than you.
Take this!
Ow!
And this!
Oh!
And this!
Ow!
That'll teach you how to address a prince.
You're a prince?
That I am.
You don't look very princely to me.
It's this pea-shooter, isn't it?
It's got something to do with it.
It's because my father won't let me have a real sword. He says I can't be trusted with one. It's not fair. I want a real sword. Nobody takes you seriously unless you've got one. Then I'd teach them a thing or two.
You can't just go around hacking people's heads off.
I'm the prince. I can do what I like. Take this.
Ow! Bring back corporal punishment, I say. Hiya.
You may kiss my hand.
And you may kiss my butt.
I should have you beheaded for this insolence. Be gone from my presence.